Hey you guys, it's Nicholas with Glenstone Power Wash. I am out here in Apopka and about to do a house driveway and fence and sidewalk. It's a corner lot. It's not bad because it doesn't have the curb, but it's still a decent amount of work. So let me show you. Here's the fence. Good reading pad right here. Forgot to change out my SD card. So this thing's about to run out. So I'm gonna time lapse everything. Hopefully I'll be able to get it. He only wants up to right here. Here's his dog.
Morning.
Hey, good morning, Ron. And we have this piece here. Doesn't need any of this done. Just this. Probably hit up that little piece of wall for him. The older fella. And this driveway. Ain't too bad. That's easy. See, there's no really lip of the curb, so I'm just walking in a straight line with the surface cleaner. So I started this new sign. I put a driveway special. See how that goes. Just wrote it and put it on a whiteboard. Let's see if I get anything. I already got one lady asking, so I'm gonna go check her out after this. All right. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, I just sprayed everything. And I did the fence first, so it gives them time to dwell. And then I sprayed the sidewalk and driveway. So here's the fence. Dramatic difference. Made me breathing heavy. I'm trying to get this done and have enough battery to film all this. I still have to wash all this stuff off. But look, that's a dramatic difference. So I'm gonna wash all this off. Look over there. And then I'm gonna wash this off and I'll show you guys the driveway. Let's go. All right, I'm all done. Let's take a look. Here's the fence. White. Look at it. Looking good. Brand new. Yeah, my handprint. Oh, go ahead and get it. I used it was really bad, so I used probably like a 5% on here. Let it go to work. Hit up that wall form in that window. I ain't telling him, but I'm sure he's gonna see it one day. I didn't lie. Post treatment. Post treatment was probably like 1.5%. Nothing crazy. I just put a fresh batch of surfactant in my tank, so the soap stick to get in there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me show you the sidewalk. This other sidewalk was horrible. This one had all sorts of thick stuff. Look at this oak tree. Okay. With the curb, get all the way to the end. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one.